Thank you. Get over yourself. This is the step that usually trips us up. Selfishness is the #1 reason why relationships, both at home and at work, fail. We get stuck in our insecurities, and all too often, we allow our fear-based attitudes to hold us hostage. What a tragedy when we allow ourselves to live limited lives. This step requires personal self-discipline. We must develop emotional muscle and become fit in order to be able to lift ourselves and others to higher ground. Growing up allows us to reach beyond our limited selves and see life through others' perspective. Getting over ourselves frees us to live